Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find a baby registry on Amazon. Whether you're looking for a friend's registry or searching for the perfect gift for an upcoming baby shower, Amazon makes it easy to locate and browse registries. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. This ensures you'll have full access to all of Amazon's features, including the registry search tool. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Hover your mouse over the section that says Account and Lists. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Find a List or Registry. This takes you to the central hub where you can search for any type of list or registry that's been created on Amazon. Now look at the left panel of the page. You'll see different options for browsing lists. Click on Find a Registry to start narrowing down your search specifically for registries rather than wish lists or other types of collections. Next, you'll want to specify what kind of registry you're searching for. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Any Occasion and click on it. From the options that appear, select Baby. This filters your search to show only baby registries, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for. To refine your search even further, click the Month drop-down menu and select your preferred month. This helps you find registries that align with specific due dates or baby shower events. Give the page a moment to process this selection before moving on to the next step. Now select the year by clicking the Year drop-down menu and choosing your preferred year. This is especially helpful if you're searching for a registry that was created recently or planning ahead for an upcoming event. You'll also want to narrow down the location. Click the Any State drop-down menu and select your preferred state. This geographic filter can be incredibly useful if you're looking for registries in your local area or for someone you know lives in a particular state. Once you've set all your search parameters, click the Search button. Amazon will now process your criteria and generate a list of baby registries that match your specifications. Depending on how specific your search was, you might see several results or just a few. Finally, browse through the results that appear on your screen. When you find a registry that looks like the one you're searching for, click on it to open it up. You'll now be able to view all the items on that registry, see what's already been purchased, and choose the perfect gift. And that's it. You've successfully located a baby registry on Amazon and can now shop with ease. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.